Greenheck. Building value in air.
Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going through another Vari-Green control, and this one is a temperature humidity controller. Let's take a look. On our screen, a few things that you can see. We're in Fahrenheit versus Celsius, our current temperature. It's displaying I'm in cool mode versus heat mode, and that the fan should be running. Also on the side, I have a button. We can press that and see what our set point is. So here, I'm trying to maintain 65 degrees. It's 69.3 currently. Now if we open this up, we'll flip the bottom, pull the top hooks, flip this over. On the back side, I've got the pins for putting it into programming mode, our temp and humidity sensor. This is our PID controller. We also have our push buttons here for enter, up and down. We're going to use those as we program this device. Other than that, we just have some terminals to look at. Here, 24, this is the 24 volts. Right now, the HOA is actually sending 24 volts up to this device to power it. I have my ground or common that is connected here. And then the red wire on the fan terminal, that's connected to the 0 to 10 terminal of the Vari-Green transformer or the Vari-Green HOA. So these two are talking back and forth. I am being powered. I am sending how fast the fan's supposed to go back to that device. We also have a terminal here called reference. That reference is a 0 to 10 volt signal that this can output and can be read by, say, a building management system. And it's basically just telling you what current temperature is. The last two terminals we have are the override terminals. Basically, if one sees the other, there's a complete circuit between them, this will jump into override, ignoring temperature or humidity set points. It'll just go to a specific speed. That's what that terminal's for. So let's put it in program mode. I'm just going to grab this pin jumper, pull it off of the storage spot, and put it on the programming end. Now when we flip this over, I am definitely in program mode. So I'm going to hit just a couple of parameters today. P0 is our temperature set point. So I'm going to hit enter and I'm into P0. So right now we are monitoring temperature and controlling temperature. It's on. If I hit the up or down buttons, I can set that to off. Let's leave that on. I'm going to hit the enter button again. And again, remember those buttons are in the back side we looked at. Right now we're in cooling mode. If I hit the down arrow, it'll put us into heating mode. So basically you're trying to increase the speed of the fan to increase the temperature, increase to heat, or increase the cool. So let's just hit enter here. Our last is our set point. Right now my set point is 65. I can use the up arrow or the down arrow to find where I want the set point to be. By hitting enter again, you can see I jump back to P0. If I hit the up arrow, I'll jump to P1, and that's where I can define Fahrenheit or Celsius. P2 is where I can control for my humidity. Now this controller can run off of the temperature in the space or the humidity in the space. You're controlling that point. But it can actually be set to run both. So let's go into enter here. Right now our humidity set point is off. I'm just going to hit the up arrow and turn it to on, hit enter. Once it's in on, it says what is the percent humidity or the RH that you want to maintain. We'll just leave 60 there for now. Hit enter and I'm through that parameter. Now there's more parameters in here and you can scroll through them. There's a very good write-up in the IOM, the Installation, Operation, and Maintenance Manual, describing what each of these parameters allows you to modify. So I recommend you go to our website on greenheck.com and take a look at that IOM. Once my set points are properly put in, I'm just going to pull it out of programming mode. We'll just store this jumper again on the end. And here we are, back in operating mode. So I'm just going to hook the top, push down the bottom. There's a little screw that comes in the box that can fix that there. And we have now set up the Vari-Green temp humidity controller. Thank you for coming back and checking out another Vari-Green video. This one was on the temperature and humidity controller. I encourage you to come back and check out all the videos we have for Vari-Green. Have a great day.